Hey guys, we're here at Abenson Alabang because today I'm going to get a very special present for my wife. You see, it's our anniversary coming up in like 10 months, but her birthday is like, okay, that's about 11 months from now. Okay, so let's consider it a belated birthday gift, but that's not important. What's important is I get the best OLED TV because it's a really special occasion. Whoa, this is it. This is perfect. This is beautiful. This is exactly what I have at home. Oh, no wonder it's familiar. Do you have this in another color? Now, there's some really nice ones, I gotta admit, but I'm looking for something a bit nicer than nice, if you know what I mean. I mean, this is a very, very special occasion for me. I mean, for us, like as a couple, of course, an anniversary is a very special occasion. I need something very, very special. Oh, hang on. Oh. Where have you been all my life? Oh, hang on. You're so slim. No wonder I never saw you. I don't know how they've done it, but look at how thin that is. It's thinner than my cell phone. Look at that. Look, literally. I don't know what kind of sorcery they put into that thing to make it so thin, but I've gotta have it to think it's an anniversary present and I'm bringing home a new baby. All right, the TV's been delivered and installed. Now, if you watched the previous vlog, you'll know that we have two TVs downstairs. This is the only TV going upstairs, and it's going in a very special room that we call the observatory. This is the main event. As you can see, it's pretty empty because this is the main attraction. Everything's gonna be built around here because this is a work of art. Literally. Get it? Now, in every industry, every now and again, there will come a product that will completely change the game. They call them game changers, for obvious reasons. This is all of that. And don't take just my word for it. When this TV debuted at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2018 in Las Vegas, it got the CES 2018 Innovations Award honoree. Plus, it was voted Best TV by Tech Radar and Best Pick by Twice. Now, I don't normally like to have to bring up the past, but in the previous vlog, I did mention AI meets OLED and A9. Now, these are two core technologies that are exclusive to LG OLED TVs. The AI allows you to use natural voice recognition to perform your most common tasks, whether it's raising or dropping the volume or opening up applications like YouTube and other things like that. It just helps from you having to dive into the remote for every little thing. Now, A9, on the other hand, is the processor, which we all know is the brain of any appliance, whether it's a phone, a fridge, and now in this case, a TV. One of the key benefits is it uses a 4-step noise reduction process to improve projection. The nicest thing. Daniel, come here. Yeah? Check this out. Look at this. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life? Look how thin it is. Look.
Why do we have another TV?
It's for Mom. It's a gift for Mom.
For what?
Our anniversary. Hello.
Your anniversary's in 9 months, you know?
9 months?
Yeah.
When's your birthday?
10 months.
That's a stretch, isn't it?
Yeah.
What if I let you play PlayStation on this thing?
You know Australia has Christmas in July?
They do, don't they?
Yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you an early Christmas and a happy new TV. The W8 is just such a feature in the room. It is so beautiful. They call it a wallpaper TV for obvious reasons because it literally looks like it's wallpaper. That's how thin it is. But when you watch it from the back and you're over there at the far side of the room, it's almost like you're looking into a portal into another world. It's like a window into this endless HD of pure visuals and color. Plus, because the design is so unobtrusive, it makes the most out of the whole design of the room. We love this particular room because of the design. The ceiling is curved, and we didn't want anything to take away from that. This thing here is absolutely perfect. Now, originally I said, what type of sorcery did they put in to make this TV this thin? Well, I found out all the technology is right here, the sound bar. So that's where your USBs go, your HDMIs, and all the technology that sort of makes this run. Another thing about the sound bar is its front firing. That means that the sound is thrown out frontwards and upwards, which allows the room to be filled with this surround sound, which gives you the complete total experience. Another really cool thing about this sound bar is when you turn this thing on, these things pop out like that, like some kind of an opening ceremony. It really makes you feel special. You half expect like a cup of tea to pop out there. It also provides a 360-degree sound through these little things over here. So together with this piece of glass over here and the Dolby Atmos, it gives you the perfect complement by giving you world-class sound with a world-class picture. So the W8 wallpaper TV from LG, does it live up to the hype? Well, that's a subjective question that I think you should answer on your own. So let's deal with what's not subjective. It is the world's first OLED TV to have AI. Plus, it also has the A9 processor. It's also the first to have the Dolby Atmos. It's the world's slimmest TV. Plus, it got all those awards from the world's largest consumer electronics show. Then, you've got the perfect blacks, which gives you the perfect color, which gives you the perfect viewing experience, now all meshed up with the perfect sound. So all you need is a perfect excuse to get one, which I think after you watch this, I'm the last person to ask about that, right? But do yourself a favor. At least go down to your local appliance store and ask them to demo it for you so you can be part of the bigger picture.